Hi everyone, fall is here. Let's make a warm bowl of cinnamon apple silica oats. I'm starting with 1 cup of silica oats in my Instant Pot. For every cup of oats, you'll need 3 cups of water. Next, I'm adding 1 cinnamon stick, a dash of salt, a sprinkle of ground cinnamon for extra flavor, 1 tablespoon of butter, and 2 medium apples cut into small cubes. Give everything a good stir, then set your Instant Pot to pressure cook on high for 4 minutes. While that's cooking, it's perfect time to make yourself a coffee. Once the 4 minutes are up, let the Instant Pot do a natural release for 10 minutes before opening the lid. When it's ready, stir it well, the apples will be soft, the oats creamy, and your kitchen will smell like fall. Top it with a drizzle of maple syrup, some crunchy candied pecans, and just a little more cinnamon. And that's it, a warm, cozy breakfast that's perfect for fall mornings. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more family-friendly recipes and cozy fall ideas. Wishing you a wonderful season ahead.